Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back. So today we're going to make a turban cap. Okay, so I have this lovely satin material. Okay, so the length I have here is 22 22.5. Okay, 22.5 is the length, while the width is 25. Okay, so I have it in two places. Okay, so that means 20, this 22 and a half here is in two places. Can you see when you open it up? So I want it to be full, and so what we're going to do now is to do the, so this I will use this side as the, because there's no opening here. So because there is no opening here, I will use this side as my band. So I won't be cutting the band separately. Okay, so everything will be here. So now I'm going to mark 1.5 from the starting here. So that will serve as my band. Okay, hope we can see. So I'll connect it. Okay, so from that point I will hold like 0.5 or 2.5. I'll just hold it this way. Can you see? Okay, so I will do the same thing all through to the edge, and that will serve as my band. So just hold it like this. Okay, can you see? So we have our band already. All right, so I will measure the remaining one. So we have, from the pen, we have like 20 inches, 20.25, let's say 20 inches. So I will divide it into 5. So you can make your own bigger, the length longer or shorter, depends on how you want it. So I will mark it 5 by 5, 5 inches, another 5 inches, another 5 inches. Okay, so from where I mark 5 inches here, okay, so this is the line. From that place I'll just hold, like, because I want everything to be like 14 inches or 16, so I will just hold it like half an inch as well. Okay, and here, from that mark, or you can make it 0.75, depends on how you want. Okay, so I will measure it if it is up to what I want. So with the band, I think I still have more, like 17 here, so I can hold it a little bit more. Okay, see. So I measure again. So I have like, apart from the band, okay, apart from the band, I still have like almost 16, which is okay. But if I want to reduce it, that means I need to hold it more here and more and more. So it depends on how you want it. So what I will do now is to go ahead and sew the band from where I put pin, just sew it, and that will serve as our band. And this, I will go ahead and sew it just straight like this, and this, and this, okay? And I'll be back. So I'm done. Can you see? Very beautiful. Okay, this is it. So now we're going to use this beautiful net or tulle, anything. So I'm going to put it on it. And one more thing, please. So because this fabric is not a stretchy fabric, okay, so you need to measure the head circumference of the person. If it is like 22, okay, I will advise you to make it 24, because this is not a stretchy fabric, okay? So if it is more, you can always reduce it at the band, but if it is short, that would be a problem, you know that. So that is why I have 12 inches here. So what we're going to do now is to cut this. Okay, so before I cut, because it needs to cover everything, right? So at the top here, we have like 2 inches, because we will start the sewing from here, inner here, okay? So this is, just have like 2 inches, okay? So 2 inches away from the band. So we can now cut. Okay, so now we can cut and just leave like maybe half an inch in case, because it's a net, right? So then I will do exactly the same here. Okay, so what we're going to do now is to, I think this is the right side, because there is stone there, so I can, so this will be the right. Okay, so I will open it up this way. Okay, so this net here, I will fold like half an inch inside. Can you see? Half an inch. And I will use, because I will hold it, this is the band, remember the band? Okay, so now I will just hold half an inch, and if you want you can double your net. I think the single is okay for me, so I will just fold this into this way, and use your pin again to hold. Okay, just hold half an inch is okay. we'll pull it out. Okay, so just like that. So if you want to know how I made this, you can check my channel. Okay, how to make pin cushion. It's very handy for me. So this is it. So after sewing it, you can open it up. Because we're going to sew this side, right? So after sewing, we open it up this way. And before you sew, you can decide to iron it. Okay, so it will be like this. Can you see? It will just be like that. And you can sew at the down parts. Okay, so before you sew everything together. So now I'll fix this. Can you see? So this is the band. Remember the 0.5. Okay, so I'm going to flip it over now. So it will be like this. So now we can sew at the side. Okay, and the down parts. So this is it. Very beautiful. Okay, so the next thing is to put it together like we used to do, right? And just make a cuff here. But because I have used surgery, so yeah, we can still do it. Just cuff, mark like 3 inches or 2.5, and just connect like this, and connect like this, and you sew too. Okay, so like that. And after that, we run running stitches like we used to do, right? And our turban will be ready. So this is it. Can you see it's very beautiful? Yeah. So this is the inside and the outside. Very beautiful. So now the next thing is to just run our stitches. Okay, so you will not start from the band here, you will start here immediately after the band, and you run it to the end here. Okay, so let's go now. So we'll start from here. And pull it out. So I'm going to bring it back here just to secure it. So I will make a knot here. As many as possible. Alright. I'll turn it outside. Wow, this is beautiful, guys. So I'll put it on mannequin for us to see. You see, very beautiful. You see. But one more thing, you need to sew here. You need to sew it outside in order to secure it with the net with the material. So thanks for watching. So if you want to know how I finish everything, because there'll be some design on it, so watch out. Thank you guys, and God bless. Bye.